Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel Day Trader David. So in this video we are going to talk about a swing trade. So basically I was analyzing few charts and I came up with some good chart. So I just wanted to share it all with you all. So last time I shared a chart of Titan, and Titan really did really well, and it gave us a huge money. Okay, so this time I'm talking about a Bharti Airtel. So even this is a positional trade. So there are a lot of people who request me to share some positional trades also. So it is not possible to share every week or every day. So at least in a month I can share at least one trade for free with everyone, right? So this is my one of my charts that I wanted to share it with you all. So even you can analyze this chart, so and then you can watch the video. Okay, so if you are a learner, then first pause this video and then go back to your chart and then analyze your chart in Bharti Airtel, and find what setup it is in and where you find some entries and all, and then you can come back here and then match your analysis over here. If it is wrong, then nothing is wrong in it. You can always learn. Stock market is a place of learning, right? So without wasting time, let's begin our video. So this is Bharti Airtel, which really looks bullish to me, and I just went up with some lot of setups. So I just tried few setups on it, and almost most of the setups are giving me bullish signals over Bharti Airtel. So let's see. I will share few of those things, like a few of the analysis of Bharti Airtel, the way that I look in on charts. Okay, so if you see Bharti Airtel, our previous trend was complete sideways and then a huge fall in Bharti Airtel, right? And now it is recovering really well. Okay, so now we will see, will it recover more or is there any chance of falling from here, because the level where it is standing now, okay, the level where Bharti Airtel is it now is the level of previous breakdown level, right? Previously Bharti Airtel broke from this level, a retest and then fall. Now it is again at the same level of where it fell. That means it can act as a good resistance for Bharti Airtel. Okay, so now we will see what do I see and what did I saw in Bharti Airtel that convinced me to go long in Bharti Airtel. Okay, so the first thing, the easiest thing that we can see is a trend line in Bharti Airtel. Simple. So once we draw this trend line, we can see that whenever Bharti Airtel came at this point, at this support, at this trend line, then it has did really well and it has moved upside and it has taken good support. But now if you check, this is the first time when Bharti Airtel took support, right? And here it is the second time, and here it is the third time. So as per trend line, so whenever a stock or index takes support three times, okay, so the fourth time there is the probability, we are talking about the probability, the fourth time there is a high probability of a breakdown or a breakout. Okay, so this was the third time, this area was the third time, so the fourth time should be at this level, from where Bharti Airtel should have came here and then broke down. This is the one of the probability in stock market. Okay, so fourth time it should have broken down, but the fourth time what did Bharti Airtel did was it consolidated at this area and then it has given a breakout, almost a breakout, because it has broke all its range, previous ranges, and then it has broke out, right? So this is one of the indication that Bharti Airtel is trying to move higher. Okay, though the another thing that I see in Bharti Airtel is a parallel channel. Okay, one of the favorite pattern of ours. I see a parallel channel in Bharti Airtel. Now you can see few things. Here Bharti Airtel tried to move up, but it failed. It made a shadow and it came back at this level. Took support, upside, took support, upside, consolidation, fell, took support. Again, it has almost given a breakout. Okay, but there is no closing upside above the trend line or above the parallel channel. There is a we cannot see any kind of closing outside the parallel channel, which is very important to go long. So this is one of the pattern that I see is parallel channel. If Bharti Airtel would have closed above this candle, then it would be a fantastic thing to go long. Okay, above this red candle. So on Monday market, it would be very interesting to watch this. Okay, it is a coincidence that even last time when we traded in Titan, when I made that video, even there was the pattern that I shared was a parallel channel, right? You can go back and watch that video also to learn and to gain some knowledge. Okay, so if there was a closing at above level outside the parallel channel, then it would have been a fantastic move, or it would be a fantastic thing to go long in Bharti Airtel. But there is no closing yet. So this is as per this pattern, we have a small doubt in Bharti Airtel, right? We have not, there is no confirmation as per this pattern. If it is a parallel channel, we don't have a confirmation. But also there are other things to watch into Bharti Airtel. We will see that. We can see these things are have not touched over the patterns. We see this outside breakout. Yes, we can see this and these are almost at the levels, but there are other things in Bharti Airtel. And the let's keep this aside. Let's watch some another pattern. There is another pattern that I see in Bharti Airtel. Okay, so this was one of the thing that I saw, but as per this parallel channel, there should be a closing above 450, right? If Bharti Airtel closes above 450, then there can be huge momentum in Bharti Airtel. Fine. So let's take another trend line. So the another thing that I saw in Bharti Airtel, which is really fantastic to me, is this. If now you check Bharti Airtel, what did Bharti Airtel do? Now there was a momentum from here. Bharti Airtel took resistance at this certain point, then it fell, took support, went upside, resisted again somewhere around the same area, fell, took support around at the trend line, again went up, took resistance, again consolidated resistance, again at the same level, same line, and then it fell, took support at the same level, again upside, it took resisted at the same level, but then here from here it fell, but it didn't come at this area to consolidate, rather it chose to stay upside. It made a few green candles and then broke out and then a red candle, which can be a retracement, and then now can be the continuation of the momentum. Okay, so here it was a small consolidation, and then it moved upside, it breakout, and then the red candle that we saw on last trading session is still outside the breakout level, right? So this was the breakout area, but this is the level, actual level from where Bharti Airtel broke out, and this is the red candle that we see now in Bharti Airtel. So if you check this pattern actually looks more appropriate to me other than the parallel channel. Okay, so this channel is more appropriate to me. So the another thing that I see in Bharti Airtel, so now the breakout has happened as per this pattern, right? So if you check, this is the breakout level, which is 535. 535 is the breakout level. So stop loss can be somewhere around this point. Let's say 510 is your stop loss, then 25 points is your stop loss. Okay, so what can be now? Let's talk about the target. Targets are very important in any trade, right? So when it comes to target, there should be minimum 1:2. Okay, so if you see for target, let's just take this height. Okay, let's just take this height, which is usually given, which we usually achieve as our target is 60 points, or let's say it is 12 points, sorry, 12% and 60 points. When it is 12% from 535 or 60 points from the 535 levels, then the target that I see is 596, or let's say 595 is the target, right? Let me just delete this. Also, let me just delete this. And now if you go back to check previous chart, now comes the beautiful part. What is that beautiful part? It is almost at the all-time high. So this is the all-time high, but this is the area after all-time high when Bharti Airtel was consolidating. So this level is the exact target for Bharti Airtel, right? So this is the target for Bharti Airtel. If you check, then it is almost 1:2 or slightly bigger than 1:2 from 535. Okay, if 535, 585, 595, it is almost 50, 60 points. 60 points stop loss, 25 points, sorry, 25 points stop loss, and 60 points target in Bharti Airtel. Okay, so that was the analysis of Bharti Airtel. So if you are a swing player or if you are a positional trader, then you can definitely go long over here at this level with 25 points as your stop loss and 60 points as your target. And I believe this target can be achieved before this expiry, that means before the expiry of January month. And let's see, let me just check the last trading session, or 28. Okay, 28 is the expiry date for this month. So we are today is today's date is 9, so almost we have 20 days, out of which let's say we have 15 trading session, almost approx 14 to 15 trading active trading sessions. Okay, so this target can be achieved, and we are talking about probability again. So it is not necessary that it has to achieve, but it might achieve. Okay, so this was about one of the analysis that gives me enough confirmation that the breakout has happened, and now Bharti Airtel can move upside. Okay, let us just add few indicators, few volume. Let us just check few volumes. Volume. Let us just check volume bar. Okay, this is volume bar. If you check the volume of previous sessions, then we can see this was the average volume, right? Average volume breakout has also happened, right? This was the average volume for Bharti Airtel, and it has also broken out. So volume is also looks decent. Volumes looks decent. And let's check another indicator. Just a second. One more volume indicator, volume bar. Yeah, this is another volume indicator. Now let me just show you few interesting things. Let me just shrink. Okay, now if you check with this indicator, here we have three lines. One is blue, red and green. Now when Bharti Airtel fell from upside, there was a crossover between red and green line, right? Here is the crossover. Once the crossover happened, there was a fall. Agreed? We all see that. Now here also we see a crossover, red and green crossover, and then there is a movement upside. Agreed? Both matches. And then once this blue line is also crossed, is also broken, we saw another great fall in Bharti Airtel. Fine. Now where is this blue line? If you check, here is the blue line. If you check, here is the blue line which has also crossed, and now we are above that blue line, and the trading that is happening, the breakout that has happened is above the blue line. Okay, so from here we got a huge rally. So when this was the rally, let me just show you all. When this was the rally from the downside, if we just take it from here, if the same rally comes from here, it is almost above 595. I am not talking more about 595, but almost we can at least achieve 595. That is what I want to convey, right? Let me just clear everything. Now we can see very much in a better way. Okay, so if you check, this was the huge fall, after huge momentum after the blue line breakdown, a breakout. So here also we see the blue line and a breakout. So there could be a enough movement till 600, right? So this is also another setup or another indicator that we can apply and we can watch, right? As per this indicator also, volume indicator, we can see Bharti Airtel at 600, or at least 595, 600. Let's say 5. There is nothing difference between 5 points. So that was all about Bharti Airtel analysis. Bharti Airtel looks good for 60 points from current market price. Okay, current market price is 540 and Bharti Airtel target. Okay, let me just write it down if you want me to write. Bharti Airtel stop loss of 25 points, target of 60 points. Let me just write the current market price. Current market price is 540. Okay, I have written this over here. Bharti Airtel current, okay, AMP. Bharti Airtel current market price is 540. We can give stop loss of 25 points and targets of 60 point can be achieved in Bharti Airtel. Okay, so now for the smaller traders who are interested to take trade in options, okay, because we have more than 15 days in expiry, so we can take a trade in options. So to that we come to NSE India. So this is NSE India. Just type Bharti Airtel. Just click on over here, and then if you check Bharti Airtel, then click on derivatives. After derivatives, click on option chain. So you will get to see the option chain. Okay. So once you get option chain, now current market is 540, right? So here just go to 540. Where is 540? Okay, 540. If you go to 540, you will get two expiries detail, which is 25th Feb and then 28th Jan. The detail that we want is of 28th Jan. Okay, so now we are looking at the money call option price of Bharti Airtel. So at the money price is at 18.8. Okay, at the money price is at 18.8 for Bharti Airtel, and our target was, let's say, 590 is our target. Okay, to be on a safer side, let's take off 590 and then remember at the money is 18.8, let's say 18. Okay, now go to 590. Now you will see the LTP of the 590 is of course 5 OTM as of now. So the LTP of 590 is 4.35 rupees only. Okay, so here if you buy a trade at 4 rupees or at least at 5 rupees, then if we are talking about if Bharti Airtel achieves its target of 590 before the expiry, then we will see this price of 4 rupees. It will be trading above 15 rupees or at least above 18 rupees. So let's say at least above 15 rupees. Okay, so here also there is a huge chance of buying an option. If you buy this 590 call option of Bharti Airtel at 5 rupees, okay, if you are buying at 5 rupees, you will have to keep its stop loss as 0. Okay, if you are giving 1 as your stop loss, or at least keep 1 as your stop loss, and then you can aim for 1:2, that is 15 as your target. So your money will be into x3. Okay, you will receive into 2, your money will be x3 in 1 month. 1 month as in 15 days, if it achieves the target. That is the condition, only condition. If it's hit stop loss, then you are going to lose 4 points in this option, and if it gains, then you will get at least 10 points in this option. Okay, so that was for small traders. The lot size is 1851, I guess. 1851 is the lot size. So you can plan as per your risk appetite, and almost 8000 is required for per lot. So if you are a big trader, then you can go with futures, or you can short put options. If you are a small trader, then you can buy the option of 590 call option can be bought at 5 rupees with a stop loss of rupee 1. Rupee 1 as in 1 will be your stop loss, that is you are giving 4 points as your stop loss. Okay, so guys, that's all about Bharti Airtel. The plan, I will be buying a futures, and of course I will also go with options. Okay, because I like options. So that was all about Bharti Airtel, a swing trade in Bharti Airtel with a target of 60 points for this January month, with a stop loss of 25 points. Okay, always remember, stop loss is the king in stock market. Okay, so guys, that's it for the day. So if you like this analysis, and if you want me to make such more videos on positional trades, swing trades, then definitely hit the like button and let me know in the comment section that you want more and more positional trades. Then I will definitely try to make out more videos, try to shoot more videos, try to record more videos for you all. So meet you all with some another learning content or analysis video, and thank you for watching.